Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. In this video, we are going to discuss the questions of general awareness of paper 1 of phase 1 examination of SEBI grade A 2021. Total 20 questions were there in the paper 1 in phase 1 examination. We are going to discuss all the questions and you can check your answer with the help of this video. The first question is, in February 2020, PFRDA has increased minimum net worth criteria for pension fund managers too. So basically, PFRDA has increased the minimum net worth criteria to 50 crore. Earlier, the criteria was 25 crore. It was easy question. We have covered this in our finance current affairs section. So it was an easy question. The second question is, the scheme aims to empower the students belonging to minority communities and prepare them for competitive examinations so that their participation in government and private jobs improve. So the scheme name is Naya Savera. It was also an easy question. We have covered this question under social issues current affairs. The third question was, Pioneer of Humanity Maharshi Arvind book is written by. So basically this book is written by Education Minister Ramesh Pokhariya Nishank. So it was an easy question. It was all over the news. You must have attempted this question. The fourth question is, first union territory to operationalize public financial management system. So basically Jammu and Kashmir is the first union territory in the country to operationalize public finance management system at district level. This was the question. So this was also a very easy question. Educare 247 has launched descriptive English course for SEBI grade A 2021. In this course, you will get 30 plus sample essay, live lectures for the strategy, how to write essay, letters and all, and 5 full length tests will be there, and all the tests will be evaluated on one-to-one basis. One-to-one feedback will be provided. This is the most useful course for SEBI grade A 2020-21 because descriptive English section is going to be very important for phase 2 examination. The fifth question is, Bharat Bond ETF is for. So basically it is for tradable debt ETF investment. Basically Bharat Bond ETF is India's first corporate debt ETF. Earlier ETF has been launched for equity, but this is for debt. Question number 6 is, which day has been observed as DRDO Foundation Day? So 1st January is the DRDO Foundation Day. Question number 7 is, according to SEBI November 2020 notification, mutual fund house owner can invest how much amount in foreign? So basically they can invest up to 600 million. This was also an easy question. We have covered this in our finance current affairs. Question number 8 is, which of the following is a type of FDI? Total 5 options were given and the answer is taking ownership of manufacturing setup. Other options were related to FPIs, not FDI. So this is for FDI. This was also a good question. Many students got confused. I have talked to many students. They said they have the confusion, but the right answer is taking ownership in the manufacturing setup. Question number 9 is, which organization has launched International Award for Creative Economy named after Bangladesh Sheikh Mujibur Rahman? UNESCO is the organization. They have launched a International Award for Creative Economy. So this was the question. Many students have marked World Bank. My students have told me, they got confused, but we have covered this news in our social issues current affairs. The 10th question is, the youth wing of Ladakh Buddhist Association celebrated which festival to mark the beginning of New Year of Buddhist community? The answer is Losar. Losar is the festival name. Basically it has been celebrated by youth wing of Ladakh Buddhist Association, and basically it is a beginning of New Year for Buddhist community. The question number 11th is, in LCR, C stands for. So basically LCR is liquidity coverage ratio. C stands for coverage. Question number 12 is, which of the following company has announced that it has pressed 7 additional renewable energy projects into service to source 23.5 million units of electricity from clean energy? The beverage company name is Hindustan Coca-Cola Beverage. It was asked in the examination. The 13th question is, government has launched which mission for the promotion of quality of products that are manufactured in the country? The answer is Brand India. This mission has been launched to improve the product quality manufactured in the country. The 14th number question is, which of the following organization had issued guidelines for NBFCs to pay dividend to the shareholders? For all the NBFCs, RBI issues the guideline. This was simple question. The 15 number question is electronic portal for agriculture trade by BSE is known as, it is BEAM. The full form is BSE E-Agriculture Market Limited. So it is called BEAM. The 16 number question is Sonu Sood has been appointed by icon for which state by Election Commission of India? Sonu Sood has appointed the icon for Punjab. This was a simple question. Who among the following has been appointed Deputy Commissioner in the Election Commission of India? So Umesh Sinha has been appointed as Deputy Commissioner for the Election Commission of India. The 18th number question is Chacha Chaudhary has been appointed brand ambassador for which of the following government program? So Chacha Chaudhary had been appointed brand ambassador for Namami Ganga program. This was an easy question. It was all over in the news. The next question is sustainable development goals will be achieved by which of the following year? We all know that the SDGs goal has been achieved by 2030. The 20th question is highest meteorological center is established at which of the following place? The answer is Leh. So it has been launched by Ministry of Earth Sciences at Leh. It is the world's highest meteorological center. So this was all 20 questions of general awareness which was in phase 1 examination of SEBI graded 2020. Hope you have scored well. Start preparing for phase 2 examination. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment and subscribe to Educare 247. Thank you and happy learning.